Hello everybody, in this video I will be showing you my review of the Oster bread machine with express bake. Now it can make up to 2 pounds of bread, and as you can see right now I am currently baking some bread. Now it says that it is going to take 22 more minutes, so let's watch. Just kidding! My next clip will be seen in just a few seconds on how the bread turned out. And by the way, before I get on to how the bread turns out, I want to tell you that I am using a recipe that I found on YouTube. I will provide a link to that video in the description below. Okay, well, here's the bread now that it's finished baking. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty good, but let's taste it, which comes next. Let me let it cool off for a few minutes. Okay, so I tasted it. It tastes a bit better than your average everyday bread, so that's good. So, as you can see, the bread turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good, very good actually. And bread machines make bread making a whole lot easier, I must say. I mean, without a bread machine, you'd have to knead the bread yourself, you'd have to bake the bread in the oven, and then some recipes require different things, but the Oster bread machine with express bake that can make up to 2 pounds of bread. By the way, this is a 1.5 pound loaf. Is pretty good. Now, it's got a basic setting, French setting, whole wheat setting, sweet setting, quick bake setting, express bake 1 pound setting, express bake 1.5 pound setting, gluten-free setting, dough setting, pasta setting, whatever that is, jam setting, bake setting, and cake setting. Well, it's pretty simple to use. Just got the crust color button, the loaf size button, the menu select button. It's also got the timer setting buttons and the start stop button. And it's easy to understand the screen. So yeah, it's a pretty good bread machine.